Are you looking to implement role-based pricing of products in your WooCommerce store in order to show the prices based on user roles like admin, author, subscriber, etc.? So if you want the functionality to show specific pricing details to retailers, wholesalers by creating a dedicated WooCommerce individual pricing list for either selected products, selected categories or selected tags, then MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin will be the best fit to show WooCommerce prices by user roles on their online stores. So let's start with the demo video and understand how easily you can set up the MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress website. So hello everyone, this is Munam from Make Web Better and we are back with exclusive demo video on MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin. So in today's demo video, I will explain you about how you can easily configure the front end and the back end settings of this free plugin. And I will also explain you about the advantages of the plugin at last. So keep watching the video till the end so that you don't miss out any plugin functionality. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. So let's first understand what is MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce. So MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce is a free plugin that will help or assist the WooCommerce merchants to display or show the prices of the products on the basis of user roles like admin, subscriber, author, customer, etc. So role-based pricing for WooCommerce will help the WooCommerce merchants to show specific pricing details to retailers and wholesalers. Thus, they can create a dedicated WooCommerce individual pricing list for either selected products, selected categories, or selected tags with WooCommerce role-based pricing. So the plugin will help the store owners to define the priorities and rules for different users, thus leading to increased engagements and sale. So we are on the WordPress dashboard. So if you haven't downloaded the plugin, we have mentioned the link in the description content. So you can download the plugin from there. So after installing the plugin, you have to move to your WordPress dashboard and click on MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce. So we are on the backend settings of MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce. So firstly, I am going to explain you about the overview section. So we have included an overview section in this free plugin so that the user can get an idea about what is MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce and what are the features that are included in this free plugin. So this was all about the overview section. Now let's move to next tab, that is general settings tab. So we are on the general settings tab. So with general settings, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can enable the role-based price functionality and can also choose on what price the price rule should be applied. So the first field is enable plugins functionality. So as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant clicks on this toggle button, the role-based price functionality will come into action. Next is price rule apply on. So here with this field, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can apply the price rules on the basis of price type like for regular price or for sales price. So with this functionality, it will help the WooCommerce merchant to decide the price rule according to his business requirement. So for example, if the admin selects regular price, so the price rule will be applied on regular price only. So after doing all the changes, you have to click on save settings. So all the settings have been saved. Now let's move to next tab, that is user role settings. So we are on the user role settings tab. So with this user role settings functionality, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can show or hide various types of prices based on particular user roles. So how can the admin show or hide user role based on prices? So the admin can choose the following to show or hide. So as you can see, these are the different types of role: guest, administrator, author, contributor, customer, editor, shop manager, and subscriber. So as you can see, these are the different prices. So the first is regular price. So what is regular price? So basically the regular price, it is the real price of the product. Next is on sale price. So it is the price at which the users can buy the product during sale. So from here, the admin can click on this tick box if he wants to show the on sales price to the guest. Next is role based price. So it is the price based on different types of roles of users. Next is add to cart. So here the admin can decide whether he wants to show to the add to cart button or not to various roles or not. Next is show price on login. So basically by this functionality, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can decide whether he wants to show the price to the various different user roles or not when they log in on the shop page. Next is show total discount. So with this option, the admin can show or hide the total discount to a particular user. So let's start with this. Like if I want to show the regular price to the guest user, so simply I have to click on this tick box and the regular price will be shown to guest. So similarly, same goes for all these options. Like if I click on sale price, role based price, add to cart, and show price inclusive of tax on login, and show total discount. So if I click on this all these tick box, so for the guest users, all these prices will be shown to the guest. Similarly, if I want to enable all this for admin, like if I click on this tick box, so regular price will be shown to the admin. Next, if I click on sale price, role based price, add to cart, show price inclusive of tax on login, and show total discount. So if I click on this all tick box, so all these prices will be shown to the admin. So after doing all these settings, you have to click on save user settings. So we have given these features to enhance the experience of WooCommerce store and to decide what to show for different user roles. So it will also help to build customer base, as you can decide what you can show to a particular user role, so that fields like total discount, sales price, and much more will be visible for that particular user role only. Suppose for example, if I want to show for subscriber, if I want to show on sale price only and role based price, so I have to click on this tick box and click on save user settings. So then the user will not be able to see the regular price, add to cart button, show price inclusive of tax, and show total discount. Similarly goes for admin also. If I have clicked on all these options, so admin will be able to access all these different types of prices. So all these settings have been done for user role settings. Now let's move to next tab, that is text settings. So we are on the text settings tab. So with this text settings tab, the WooCommerce merchant or the admin can replace or customize the text that is usually displayed. So the first field is regular price text. So here if I enter regular price is, so this text will be appearing next to the regular price. Next field is on sale price text. So if I write sales price is, so this text will be appearing next to on sale price. Next field is role based price text. So here if I write special price for you, so here this text will be appearing next to role based price. So we have provided these settings so that you can easily customize the text to improve or enhance your store experience and do customizations according to your business needs. So after doing all the customizations, you have to click on save settings. So as you can see, the settings have been saved for the text settings. So this was all about the backend settings of MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce. Next, I'm going to explain you how you can create a price rule for different user roles. So we are on the price rule tab. So with price rule, the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can create unlimited pricing rules for different user roles, and the admin can also view the created rules and can also set the priority for the implementations of the rule. So the admin or the WooCommerce merchant, if he wants to create the price rule, so he can click on this add new. So from here the price rule can be created. So from here the admin can choose the title of the price rule. Like I have written as rule 2. So I have decided the title as rule 2. Next field is enable the rule. So if the admin wants to enable the rule, he has to click on this toggle button to make this created rule come into action. Next field is choose a role. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can decide to whom to apply this rule that is being created. Then this rule will be displayed to that selected user role. Like if I select admin, so the created rule will be applicable to the admin only. Next field is select rule type. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can select on which products he wants to apply this particular rule. So we have provided 3 options to choose from all product categories and tags. So here the admin can select in 3 categories like all products, categories, and tags. So I have selected all products. Next field is all products. So here the admin can mention the product tags and categories So then rules will be applicable to only those selected categories or tags in this products in the product section. So here the admin can type the name of product category or tags, like if I select like a logo collection, beanie with logo, t-shirt with logo, polo. So these are the tags that I have selected. So all the price rule will be applicable for these tags. Next field is select discount type. So here the admin can select the discount type as fixed or percentage. So I have selected as fixed. Next is price field. So here the admin can enter the price he wants to offer for selected products. So price will be affected on selected products based on product tags and categories. Like I have selected like 10 as price. Next is priority for price rules. So we have provided a priority field in case if the WooCommerce merchant wants to create multiple price rules for a particular user role. So what does this mean? This means if the WooCommerce merchant has created like 4 rules, and if he wants to give a priority on a particular price rule, so he can set the priority as 1 on that particular rule. So that rule will be applicable first. So for example, if the priority is set to 4, so then the rules with priority 1, 2 and 3 will be applied first, and if 1, 2, 3 are not applicable, in that case 4th priority rule will be implemented for a particular user role. So this is how you can easily set the priority for the price rules. And after doing all the settings, you have to click on publish. And now let's click to back to roles. So as you can see, the rule 2 has been published, and as you can see the price rule will be applicable to the admin. And here you can enable or disable that rule if you want to enable or disable for that particular user role. So if you want to delete that rule, so simply you can click on trash and the rule will be moved to that trash. So let's click on trash. So if you want to permanently delete the rule, you can click on this delete permanently, so the rule will be deleted. And if you want to restore that, so we have also given that option, so you can click on restore and the rule will be restored. So now let's click on all. So this was all about the price rule. So all the backend settings have been done for MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin. Now let's move to front end and see how these settings will reflect on the front end. So we are on the shop page, and as you can see, all the tags or the categories that we have selected is coming here. So as you can see, beanie with logo and long sleeve tee and polo are coming. But as you can see, logo collection, so the price rule is not applicable on logo collection, because the price rule will be applicable on single and variable products, not on group products. So that's why the price rule is not applicable in this logo collection, because it's a group product. So as you can see, whatever the customization, text customization that we have done is also coming here. So as you can see, the text we have entered like regular prices, sales prices and a special price for you. So the text customization that we have done in the back end is coming here, and the discount that we have selected is also coming here. So as you can see, we are able to see the regular price and sales price and add to cart button, because on the back end we have clicked on the tick box of all these options to show these things to the admin. So if the admin is logged in on the shop page, so he will be able to see the all these things, because we have clicked on the tick box like regular price, sales price and add to cart button. So let's click on add to cart and let's click on view cart. So let's click on proceed to checkout and let's click on place order. So as you can see, order has been received. So we have provided the features in this MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin, so that the WooCommerce merchant can easily set up the prices according to different user roles and provided the customizations according to the business need. So this was all about the demo video of MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin. So now let's see what are the advantages of MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin. So with MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin, the WooCommerce merchant or the admin can create unlimited rules for different user roles. Moreover, with this free plugin, the WooCommerce merchant can customize the price of the product on the basis of different user roles like admin, customer, author, subscriber, etc. And the WooCommerce merchant can also give priority to the rules that should be implemented first for a particular user role. In addition to that, the admin can hide WooCommerce pricing for different user roles. Last but not the least, the WooCommerce merchant or the admin can also hide add to cart button based on different user roles. So this was all about the demo video on MWB role-based pricing for WooCommerce free plugin. So if you have any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, you can mention in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. So till the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.